Here we have to find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the given matrix A. Elements are 2, minus 1, 5, minus 2. The characteristic equation for this given matrix is determinant A minus lambda I equal 0, which is 2 minus lambda minus 1, 5 minus 2 minus lambda equal 0. Now if we expand this determinant, then we'll have the equation as lambda squared plus 1 equal 0. So lambda is plus minus I. Let us take lambda 1 as plus I and lambda 2 as minus I. Here we see that the entries of the matrix, or the elements of the matrix, are real, but the roots of the characteristic equation are complex. Now let us find the eigenvectors corresponding to the eigenvalues. Let us find first for lambda 1 equals to I. Now let us take x. Elements are x1, x2, which is not equals to 0. B, the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda 1 equals to I. Then we'll have Ax equal lambda 1 x, which is A minus I x equal 0. So this is 2 minus I minus 1, 5, and then minus 2 minus I, x1, x2 equal 0, 0. Now let us divide the first row by 2 minus I, then we'll have 1 minus 1 by 2 minus I, 5 minus 2 minus I, x1, x2, 0, 0. Here R1, 1 by 2 minus I, R1. Okay, now let us calculate this part, removing the complex part from the denominator. Let's do here minus 1 by 2 minus I, which is 2 plus I, and below 4 plus 1. So this is minus 2 by 5 and minus I by 5. Now let's write here 1 minus 2 by 5 minus I by 5, and below 5 minus 2 minus I, and here x1, x2, and right hand side 0, 0. Let's keep the first row as it is. and the second row dividing by 5. Here we write R2 1 by 5 R2. Now you look that both the rows are same, therefore they are identical, so we can write as 1 minus 2 by 5 minus I by 5 0 0, and here x1 x2 0 0. Now the rank of this matrix is 1, which is less than the number of rows. Therefore the equation, this equation will have linear independent solution. Therefore we can write, let's write here. Therefore let's say this is equation number 1, and here this is equation number 2. Equation 2 will have linear independent solution. So we can write that x1 plus minus 2 by 5 minus I by 5 x2 equal 0. Now x1 is 2 by 5 plus I by 5 x2. If we take x2 as c, then x1 will be 2 plus I c by 5. Then the eigenvector x becomes c by 5 2 plus I and c, which we can write as c by 5 2 plus I and 5. Now say x1 is the corresponding eigenvector for lambda 1 equals to I. So x1 is 2 plus I 5. Now you find yourself the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda 2 equals to minus I.